We'll guide you through how to open a network stream on VLC Media Player. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in VLC Media Player, and so you want to go and open up a network stream. A network stream is a stream which is on the internet. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get this in VLC Media Player. Make sure it's full guide to know exactly what you need to do. So to get started, you need to head to the top where you've got the row of options and head over to the far left and go and find the option for media. And you want to go and click on media like so. You see a list of different options, but what you want to do is go and find the option for open network stream. You can also press Control and N keys together like so. You'll get this pop up. Now you're going to go and need to enter in the network URL for the stream you're trying to go and watch. So you can go and copy it from somewhere, then you can right click and go and paste it in. Then what you can do is press show more options and change this if you want to. And then when you've added it in the URL, you can press play and it'll then go and launch. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.